Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I thought I would do an update video on my ApeX Smart Liquidity Pool strategy that I deployed just about 4 months ago, I believe. And it's been a while. I've just been letting it run. And with that being said, if you're not familiar with what ApeX Smart Liquidity Pool is, it is basically a market-making liquidity pool that allows you to earn potential profit at a pretty high rate versus the risk. So you've got a pretty good risk versus reward. And the percentage that I was earning when I first deployed the strategy was around 33%. However, that was when the liquidity pools were brand new. And now that they've been available for a little while, that rate has certainly come down. So that's enough jaw jacking. Let's get right into some numbers. And the first place we'll start is over here on the ApeX exchange website. Now, if you have not started trading over here on ApeX, I'll drop a link in the description down below. And I believe if you use my link to basically join the ApeX platform, it's a DeFi platform, so there is no KYC. You are actually in custody of your money. You don't send money to ApeX. I did a whole video on that. I'll drop a link to that in the description as well. So if you're new to ApeX, you might want to watch those videos before you just dive into this blindly. But with that being said, let's go ahead and click on trade up here. That will bring me over here to the ApeX Pro Trader dashboard. And from here, I need to click on Earn. Smart LP for Liquidity Pool V2. This is their second version. If I give that a click. All right, so once we arrive over here at the Smart Liquidity Pool dashboard, I can scroll down and you can see the current APY on a 7-day basis is just shy of 16%. Remember when I first started, it was around 33%, so it's been cut pretty much in half. But that is to be expected as more people have actually started investing in this strategy. So far, in 4 months, I have earned around $60.53, and that is based on my initial investment, which was just shy of 1,000 USD. And that is currently, I believe, the only staking pools that they have available will be on USDC. And so you'll need to have like your MetaMask wallet connected and fund or subscribe in this case using USDC in order to actually fund this strategy. But so far, like I said, it's been about 4 months, and this is pretty much a set it and forget it. I actually did kind of forget about this strategy that was running over here. And so earning around almost 16% on my funds over a 4-month period, I'll take that. I challenge you, go into your local bank, offer to deposit $1,000 with them, and tell them you want to be paid 16% APY, and they'll probably look at you like a crazy person. So with that being said, I think that pretty much wraps it up for this update video. This strategy is working over here. Again, if you want to get in on some passive income, this would be one way to do it. However, there is risk involved, so you need to do your own recon before you actually pull the trigger on anything. At the end of the day, I'm not making any recommendations. These videos are for educational purposes only, and so you need to do your own recon. Now, if y'all want to see me redeem these funds, drop a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll consider doing a redeem video in the future. But until then, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. You might also want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have any other questions or comments, you can drop them down in the comment section. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.